I don't even know if it opens.
Really?
Yeah. No, it does.
They don't open the fucking doors.
Can you believe that thing just went down the track, Buck?
Yeah, I believe it.
How long was that thing sitting in your backyard?
2 years.
Here?
At least.
Look at the moss on it. I just can't believe it hit all the gears. I can't believe it went down. It didn't spit, sputter, stall. And the tranny worked. All the gears worked. So, Buck, what do you think we do to make it faster?
Lighten her up.
Lighten her up. Every 100 pounds is worth a tenth of a second, I guess. Dylan, give us a hand. We're going to strip this thing. It said his backyard.
It's about saying GT, like seriously.
It was destined for the scrapyard about 20 years ago. I never made it.
Yeah, so I threw a
You
battery.
got slicks on that.
Yeah. Oh, we threw a battery in it to see if it would start, and it started. And then I drove it around the yard, and it moved. And I thought, well, we can't scrap it. We have to do something with it. So here it is. But everybody tells me not to wash it.
Why not? Wash it, put new wood on there. Tucking new tires. Keep the slicks though.
Keith, you might have a buyer
You
here.
know about that tiny thing there. I know all about this stuff. I know all about it.
She's interested. She wants this car.
No. One Mustang in her garage is too many already.
Oh, you got this. What the hell? What's wrong with us?
We tore it all out this morning to go faster.
You're not driving up the
No, it's going up the trailer after.
Let's go down the track again. It's already made one pass.
Yeah, good to go. 14.5.
He's got nice in there. He's got nice.
Yeah, it's the original engine and training.
I got somebody that paint this
on an
thing.
original block. The business card. You need partners. He's got 3 blocks now.
How much you want for that?
Good luck. See you later.
Nice talking to you. Thanks. part of it, you know that, but it actually feels pretty good going down the track. What, it went 14.4?
4-1.
Huh?
14-4-1.
4-1. It spun pretty bad though. I don't know, I can't get it to hook. Pop the hood and let it cool for a while. Everybody likes it though. Can't make it back around here without stopping to talk to somebody. Who wants to buy it? Take a look at the mouse turds, they fell out of the hood. Oh my god.
I need a respirator.
Yeah.
He seems to be breathing in
Is
there.
that the mouse right there?
Where? That's not the mouse. Nope.
No,
That's his nest.
That's, oh look, it's all down in the frame rail now. We vacuumed it out yesterday.
Missile now. 14-1.
14-1. And if
Do a fucking scud missile.
you can tell, I can feel that it hooked better, but I dumped it at 3 instead of 5.
Oh yeah. It still looked like it broke 3 when you dumped it though.
Really? I had fell out of the hole for a while. Did I red light?
I don't know.
Oh, because I had him out of the hole for a while.
How did Phil run then?
I don't even know.
I didn't pay attention to the
I
other.
have a hard time looking at the thing. I just zoomed in.
What Phil's car run?
We don't.
Draggy on 12.3.
12-3.
Yeah, that's worth pretty good.
Yeah, were you down? So you should be in 13, buddy.
Yeah. So then we'll turn the lights on.
Yeah.
I'd like to hit 13 before we turn the spray on.
Put that on.
I put that 10.5 this time, just a half a pound difference. See, I want to get too low. It still feels good going out the
Yeah,
end.
that's what I was wondering if it was skating or not.
It's launching pretty good. It's probably launching as hard as what the clutch is going to do.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This car actually still scares me just because of where it comes from.
Yeah.
You're back there.
Holy shit! Did you see 13.6?
Yeah. 13.6.
Adjusting the timing. You'll be excited.
took a little while. Think it made any difference?
I don't know. It felt like it would, like somewhat. Why let it run?
13.6.
Did it really? 13.6. I find that hard to believe.
Yeah, 13.6.
Wow.
A little bit of timing.
I don't know if there's any more left in it or not.
Jesus.
It really ran a 13.6.
It did.
Oh my god. I can't believe it.
You emptied the rat crap out of it, right?
Got most of the weight out of it. No way. Oh my god.
100,
Right out of your backyard.
100 miles an hour.
100 miles an hour. I told you it was low earlier. Damn. Oh, it felt good. It didn't sway.
That's
It
good.
didn't.
No, you can tell it went up. It went good.
Out of the hole, it looked like it was more expensive.
Maybe it was this guy.
It was just, what's going on there?
Oh, it was a,
Murder hornet.
it was a murder hornet. Look out.
It's got 10 pounds in the back tires. That's all. Dylan, 13.6. Like, I mean, wow. yeah, I left that one. Yeah, I think that was a 6er maybe.
And you were going to scrap this thing.
You were just
No, I was going to scrap this thing. It looks like it's ready for the scrapyard. Might have one or two more passes in it.
The oil pressure's bad. The oil pressure's really bad.
Pick up with the nitrous.
Yeah, nitrous will add some pressure that way than that. Get fuel, no nitrous.
Is that on right now?
Huh?
It's on right now?
Yeah. Okay, here we go. Just watch yourself. No, I wonder if the nitrous leaked out of it. I wonder if the bottle's empty. I think so. Well, that's what's going on. That's weird, because the line was unhooked. Or did it get so hot at some point sitting in the car that it blew off?
Piece of shit car.
What's that?
Piece of shit car.
All right, so that wrapped up our day at the track. Swamp Thing will be back, and he will be faster than ever. And thanks for watching, and bye for now.